So in the last video I made a really good terrain generation with tons of different stuff, and it's time to make it even better and also make a player, so stick around until the end and enjoy the video. And before we start doing anything, I want to talk about this video. This short video I uploaded before my previous video, and I said that for some reason YouTube doesn't want to show any of my videos in recommendation, which is kind of true. And I said that for every subscriber that this video will get, I will add one mechanic in the game. So in YouTube Studio you can see how many subscribers you get from every video, and it shows that I got only one, but I know for sure that at least 2 subscribed. So if you subscribe from that video, then please let me know in the comments. Anyway, first what I want to do is to change atmosphere to snowy. Why? Well, why not? So to make snowy atmosphere I need 3 things: snow, clouds and day/night cycle. Although it didn't take too long, but can you see snow? Yeah, well, me too. So what happened here is that I tried to download snow shader and for some reason my project can't handle it, because I don't have URB thingy? What even is that? So the point is that I tried to download this shader and it destroyed everything. I've got tons of errors and all my textures got corrupted. But I fixed it by just deleting the assets, so freak you, shader. And after this, I ran out of ideas. So I rewatched my last video and realized, wait, I have tons of problems that I need to fix, what the freak? And first what I need to fix is houses, because currently their generation kind of reminds me of Only Up. After fixing that, I also said that I need to make grass, as long as you don't use it with randomly generated world. Now, I'm done. I don't want to spend another week or 2 trying to fix this stupid problem. I will fix it on my next video. And I found how to make it, but it's a bit laggy and I don't think it's that bad, so let's just go ahead and add it all around this world and test the game. Yeah, there are not going to be any grass. I guess in the future I will somehow add snow, but for now we leave it as it is. So now look at this moment and tell me what is wrong here. Nothing? No, it's empty. It's completely empty. So I found this asset with only 2 but very beautiful trees, and well, we don't have any diversity anymore, but it looks so cool right now. Also, don't question LD, I know it looks terrible, I didn't work on optimization yet, so shut up please, yes, thank you, let's continue. Because if I turn it off, my laptop will explode, and I don't want this to happen, because my laptop will explode, and this is bad. Don't explode laptops, it's bad for your health and your family, yes. Okay, and now it's not that empty, but still empty, because we have only 2 villages and nearly 0 structures. And we need more, but I don't have any assets, so... Oh, and also while I'm searching, I want to ask you to subscribe, because it's taking me a really long time to make this game and also make this video. And I'm trying to reach the goal of 100 subscribers by the end of this month, so your subscribe will help me a ton. So yeah, cool, let's continue. Okay, and now when we have tons of houses, we can walk around finding a lot of cool structures, but they don't contain anything, so they're kind of pointless. But I also found a laboratory, which is going to be one of the most important structure in the game. Now, it looks really big and cool, but yep, much better. I mean, yeah, this might be cool to have such a big building, but it will cost so much FPS, it's just crazy. Oh, you don't believe me? Look at this number. This thing shows this, yeah, something, I have no idea what it is. But the point is that the less this number, the better game runs. So here's a quick example for you. This is how I usually get my FPS in the game, and this is how much I get when I look at the laboratory. Yeah, that's crazy. So I'm trying to keep this number around 150 and 200, but with this laboratory, well, yeah, that's crazy. So that's why I removed everything, not only from the outside, but also from inside. Except this card. Why? Are you serious? Look at this! It's like the best thing ever! Okay, after making the laboratory, I put everything together and now we have pretty good looking game. And I guess this is everything I've done with the generation and structures and everything, and we can move on to making a player. First, what I needed to make is a controller, because current one is... no, it's not what I want. But what about just changing it?
No.
So I again went on a freaking traveling thing to find a good character controller, which is also the dumbest thing ever. It's more boring than writing your own code. Don't do this at home, please. And of course I didn't find anything. I searched for tutorials, nothing. I searched in ASUS store, still nothing. And even in the deadliest place ever, Tiny's tutorials. Yes, he has a tutorial how to make a player for his game, Carlson. Oh no.
Oh, you don't know what causes causes is like giveaway.
But even this is not good for me. So I did something that I didn't do in a while, which is ChatGPT. Yahoo! And recently OpenAI released new update for ChatGPT called GPT-4o, and it's like much more smarter than ever. Also, yeah, it's not like recently, it was like I guess almost a month ago or something. I'm just lazy to make this video, so But the thing is about AI that you can't just say do this. Well, I mean, you can, but it just won't give you what you really need, so you need to be very careful and mind your every step, because one wrong thing and it mess up everything. You know, it's just like with Kitten, yeah. And after tons of chatting, thinking and changing, we've got this. Wait, but it's just the same as it was, but without zoom? What is wrong with you? Just make everything even worse. Shut up! Yes, it looks the same, but it's completely different player. You can't really see what's new, but I needed not to be better visually, but to feel the player better. It's really simple and working exactly how I need it, but it's not close to be done. It's not even 10% of what I want to make. But for now, I need to turn our good friend Bean into the beautiful person. And about 3 years ago, when I started learning programming, I found a tutorial about how to make survival game. Not what I'm creating right now, it's like completely different things, don't mix them. But the point is that I was creating characters there with animations and everything I need in app called Making Human. Now, it's cool and all, but the problem is that it's creating character kind of naked. Well, I can fix it by just putting clothes in Blender, but you realize how much time will it take to make one player, right? Oh, you don't? Well, sucks to be you. I don't want to go into details, but trust me, it's very time consuming. And also, I don't like Blender, so yeah. And I tested tons of different ways, searched the entire internet again! Oh my god, I hate this so much. First was ASUS store, which I already knew won't give me anything. Next I tried add-on in Blender, where I can also create character, and well, I made character, but it needed some clothes, and well, you already knew what happened. So this method isn't good as well. But then I found something. You might have heard about this website called Mixamo, where you can find almost any animation you want. But they also have characters, and they're not just presets, they're actual characters fully ready to use. Oh my god, why not getting money for promoting this website? Please subscribe so we'll continue fighting these good websites for everyone. So after some searching, I hate this word, I found only 2 but very cool characters that will work for now. And after adding all animation I need except crouching, because as I said 10 seconds ago, they have almost any animation you want, and for some reason they don't have like a crouching that I really need. Like, look at this. Well, they have crouching animations, but only to go forward and standing still, and I need them at all directions. And if you search for them, you will actually find some, but wizard. The closest one I found is this that goes with gun, but we don't have guns, so... Now let's put everything together and we have really cool looking player with animations. But if you look from the player's POV, you can see a character from the inside. And this isn't good, because, well, you can't see yourself from the inside, it's not real, just like zombie apocalypse. Shut up! So there are two ways how I can fix it. First, what I thought is make another layer in the game and put this layer on body and head. After that on camera you select what layers it can see, and just like that I ran into another problem. Before I started making this video, I switched to a newest version of Minecraft. Not Minecraft, you idiot. I switched to a newest version of Unity, Unity 6 Preview. And some YouTubers actually said that this is like Unity 2023 LTS, short of long-term support. And I thought that this will be a great opportunity to try it, because it also has some nice features for multiplayer. So let's just go ahead and add some new layers to the game. Null reference exception, blah blah blah. For some reason, on this version they forgot to add the way how to create text and layers. Or maybe I'm just stupid and did something wrong, which is more likely to happen. So I searched everywhere and didn't find anything. Either no one tried this version yet, or maybe moving my project from one version to another corrupted some files. And if you create a new project on this version, everything will be fine. Wait, actually? So I moved my project back to Unity 2021 and errors 102. Now, while I'm fixing everything, I want to talk about my new channel. I created a second channel where I play Minecraft, woohoo, let's go! For the moment you're watching this video, I'm already working on my second video for this channel. So subscribe right now, woohoo, link in the description! Anyway, back to the project. I've got tons of errors. And it wasn't actually hard to fix, I just deleted everything where I had errors. Nice. Actually, don't do this, be very careful and watch what you're deleting, because you might delete some very important files, so yeah, be careful. So I tried this method and yeah, I can't see the player at all. Well, I know you need to see your weapons in the future, also your hands, or well, maybe not, well, I don't know what to think about this right now, okay? And the second option I had in my head is animation rigging. In other words, I load this asset and it makes players' spawn visible, and I can also control them anyhow I want. So I created this ball and players' head and body always look at it. And by always, I mean it. Always. So after some magic lines of code, or as my friend once said, this is a devil cryptogram, wait, what? Now we've got it fully working and it looks decent. But you can still see head sometimes, and yeah, this isn't cool at all. And when I tried to fix it, I ran into another problem. Purum parim pam pum, yeah, turu turu tu tu, problems, turu tu 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 tu, subscribe to my channel, turu tu 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 tu, tu 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 tu. Turu tu tu turu tu turu tu 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 papi papi papiri pipi pipiri pip.